So look at this delicious Fat Man snack. This is oatmeal raisin cookies with chocolate chips inside. And to add to it, I got a delicious cup of chocolate milk. So first of all, Salud Jindani. Cheers. Now it's time to enjoy this delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. Okay. Arm around mouth. I'm gonna give you stuff. Wanna try this?